Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my FB Live. Hope you all are having a beautiful Sunday. I'm just testing my connection. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Hi Preet, can you hear me? Are you able to see me okay? Hi Preet, can you hear me? Are you able to see me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Hi Jingle, are you able to hear me, Jingle? Can you see me? Is it pretty clear? Am I visible and audible? Thank you for joining me. I joined in a little bit early so I could test my connections, and we'll start at 2 o'clock. I have some exciting line of setup for you guys. A lot of festivities are coming around the corner, so I thought let me do this live and bring to you some amazing deals. Thanks Jingle, love you dear. Hi Shivani, how are you? Are you guys enjoying your Sunday? We'll wait for 5 more minutes and then I will dive right into the live. So basically the way I've structured my live today is I have some great deals for neck pieces starting at $50 and all the way up to $85. And I also have some really pretty cocktail rings, traditional as well as contemporary. Hi Navi, how are you? Sorry, Saturday. Thanks for correcting me, Jingle. I'm already fast forward by 24 hours. Every day is a Saturday or a Sunday, right? These days, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring to you some really pretty contemporary and traditional earrings at very good prices today. Also some nice cocktail rings, traditional and contemporary, for amazing prices. So hope you all like this, and I'm really hoping that you enjoy the selection that I've curated for you guys, and you'll find some good ensembles and combos to match with each other. So this week I'm going solo. My other partners in crime are busy, so we figured let me go solo this week. Hi Ginal, how are you? And then next week we have some more exciting combos planned out for you guys. So there's a lot of stuff happening, and we've tried to make our best use to get you the best deals, which are pocket affordable in these times, but at the same time that'll help you stock up for the upcoming festivities as well as post-COVID life when things go back to normal and prices are going to go high up. So this is a really good opportunity for those of you to kind of stock up on your trousseau. And for those of you who are joining me for the first time on this live, I'm going to just explain a little bit about my brand. So I run a local Dallas run local jewelry biz. It's called as Turquoise Touch by Poonam. My specialty is in natural stone, natural gemstone jewelry. I work mostly with metaphysical healing crystals and natural stones that have energy cleansing and chakra balancing and healing properties. I design most of my jewelry myself. Most of these pieces are single designs. We do not do any replicas. So whatever piece you get, rest assured you will be the only one who owns that piece. All of these pieces are custom designed. Most of my materials are sourced from different parts of the world, including India, UK, Brazil, Turkey, and we use the most purest form of stones and crystals. I have also learned, hi Deepika, how are you? Happy Saturday. I have also learned through my journey of designing jewelry for the last 5 years. a little bit about energy healing and cleansing, aura cleansing. So I do perform some smudging rituals using healing crystals, sage and selenite on this jewelry to infuse it with a lot of positive energy and good vibes. So I firmly believe that whenever you put on an accessory, you are basically drawing the energy that the accessory has from either the previous owner or whoever that has handled it, because stones are very perceptive and they carry energy. We all have energy fields around us. So I feel that cleansing and charging these stones and jewelry enable you to carry a lot of positive energy and vibes. So I try to do these rituals on all my jewelry sets, once I have them, to kind of clean them, make them pure, and then charge these crystals with a lot of positive vibes and energy. So the wearer will definitely see benefits. I have a lot of clients who message me and tell me that after they've bought a piece of jewelry from me and they wore it, they not only felt confident, but they felt like a new infusion of energy. It made them feel nice. It made them feel fresh and rejuvenated. Hi Komal, how are you? Thanks for joining my live, guys. So that's a little bit about the way I work with my jewelry. I do chant with these pieces, and I make them as strongly charged with good healing vibes as possible. So you guys get the best benefit, you get the best bang for your buck, because you're not just paying for a piece of jewelry, but you're also paying for all that additional good vibes that come with it. So thanks Shivani, thank you so much, dear. Your support means a lot to me. Without you guys' support, this kind of a mommy biz wouldn't have been able to survive. So I definitely thank you all from the bottom of my heart for believing in my work, for believing in my cause, for believing in the reasons why I do the way I do things. Hi Sumita, thank you Komal. I really appreciate your feedback. So guys, here's to keeping on styling, wearing good stuff, and having a lot of positive healing vibes and energy your way. I think we have a lot of people, so I'm gonna start. It's almost 2 o'clock. So today I'm gonna start first with earrings, because I know earrings are very popular amongst ladies, very easy to wear, and they don't require a lot of effort. So I'm gonna start with my contemporary earrings, which were all for $65, but for this live I have marked all of them for $40. And there are some special discounts and surprises, like I always offer at the end of my live, for the orders that are placed on the day itself. So that also holds true for today. And there are going to be a lot of ensemble combo deals within my jewelry that I'm going to offer to you. So I'm going to explain that to you in a little bit. I'm going to start with my first set of earrings. It's a beautiful turquoise and pearl bird earring. It has beautiful bird motif, if you can see. And it's about 3.5 to 4 inches long. Let me know if you guys are able to see it clearly. Show you the other pair. All of these pieces are just for $40 for today. Those are the earrings. Just for $40 for today. If you guys like any of these designs, please take a screenshot and then you can message me. I'm gonna try and go through as many items as possible. So I may not be able to reply to your comments while the live is going on, but be rest assured, I will be checking each one of them once the live is over and I will reply back to you. So whoever likes these earrings, they're just $40 for today. It has fresh pearls and freshwater pearls and dyed turquoise in turquoise and green color. And there is a really cute bird tassel with some moti puai. So these are for $40 for today. Take a screenshot, guys, if you like them. These are very, very easy to wear, extremely lightweight, not difficult to wear at all, and they really look stunning. You can wear them with your traditional or your Western outfits, and they will look equally stunning. Next up from my floral collection are these, another set of beautiful floral earrings. These are also contemporary. They have freshwater pearl stud on the top, and these are dyed turquoise. It's real turquoise in green and turquoise color, and a really cute conical golden spoke at the end. Very, very chic, very contemporary, also for $40. If you guys like it, please take a screenshot. This is how they will look when you wear them. Extremely light and very, very pretty looking. $40 for today, with a special discount which I'm going to announce at the end of the live. If you buy one or more from my $40 collection, there will be another discount that I'm offering. So I'll let you know that at the end of the live. My third earring from my floral collection is this another gorgeous. Hi Shweta, thanks for tuning in, dear. This is another really cute floral earring, again in dyed turquoise and freshwater pearls with a really smart brush gold rod. Very, very lightweight, easy on your ears. If you wear this, you wouldn't need anything else. Just by itself, it's a really pretty accessory. Again, for $40, if anybody likes it, take a screenshot and you can message me. Hi Radhika, thanks for joining, guys. $40 for these beautiful pearl and turquoise contemporary earrings, with an additional discount for orders placed today. Coming up, my other one. This is a beautiful stone, semi-precious stone. These are rough crystal nuggets with moti puai. Very, very grand and beautiful earrings, just for $40. These were all $65, guys. I have marked them down for your pre-festive sales specially, so that you can enjoy these beautiful earrings. They have a natural rough uncut crystal in the middle, and these are semi-precious stones, and they are faceted, so they do shine when light falls on it. I think you guys can see it. And some beautiful pearl stringing. Very unique design. They look very beautiful when you wear them. It's a full outfit ensemble in itself. You won't need anything else to wear them with. So again, $40, which is a great steal deal. Take a screenshot. $40, guys, for all of these. Take a screenshot if you like it. Moving on to my next set of contemporary. These earrings kind of run transitional. Look at this. Hi Rachna. These earrings are a great steal deal for $40. Can't miss it. The colors are very subtle. It's got a pink stone. It's a pink rose quartz. And the green stone in here, it's called as a Chalcedonia. It's a Chalcedonia stone. All of these are natural stones. This is all handmade stuff with beautiful moti puai. This is how they will look. Very, very lightweight, easy on the ears. Hi Jigisha, thanks for joining, girl. Thanks Shweta. You know, I keep working so hard just for you guys, so that you guys get the best of the fashion and best of the choices available, the latest and the greatest of the trends. So just $40. Hi Ron, how are you? Thank you, darling. $40 just for today. These were $65, but just for today, for festive edit, $40. So if you like it, take a screenshot and message me. So these were some of my contemporary semi-fusion type of earrings. I'm gonna show you, hi Rachna, thank you so much. I'm gonna show you some traditional earrings, some jhumkas. So these are all gonna be different price range, but all of them have an extra discount if you guys order today. So coming up, look at this beauty. Is this beautiful kundan earring. It's got beautiful Hyderabadi kundan, which is really good quality kundan, with a ruby stud on top and some American diamond inlays. Very, very gorgeous piece. And it also has some semi-precious stone latkans at the bottom. Here's another one. So that's a set of 2 earrings. Hi Dipali, thanks for tuning in. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, about 3.5 to 4 inches from top to bottom. All kundan and American diamond studs. Jhumka. Looks very, very pretty when you wear. And these are special pricing. Guys, they were 130. I had marked them down to 90, but just for today, I'm gonna offer them for $75. It's an amazing deal for something that's that grand and that big in size, fully studded with kundan, just for $75, guys. So if you guys like it, take a screenshot and message me for $75 with an additional discount if you order more than 1 earring today. So I will be announcing that at the end of the live. Coming up is another gorgeous beauty. Hi Dipali. These are some beautiful kundan and baguette stone earrings. Look at this. Also has ruby inlays. Red is a very versatile color. It goes with most of our outfits. And right now, nowadays, the trend is to wear traditional on Western, guys. So these can go both ways. And it's actually a dual tone, mixed tone. It's got silver and gold embellishments. Beautiful agates. And cubic zirconiums embedded in it. That's the other one. If you guys like this design, take a screenshot. I will tell you the price in just a minute. Again, not very heavy, very, very lightweight. And these were also for 120. I marked them down to 90, but for the live today, just for $75. It's a great deal for these heavy jhumkas. Just for $75 for today, with an additional discount if you buy more than 1 of these, which I'll let you know at the end. So if you guys like this, take a screenshot and message me. Hi Aparna, thanks for joining. Hi Pooja. Okay, coming up next is this another beautiful earring. It's actually like a Chand Bali. This also has Hyderabadi kundan, which is a really, really good quality kundan. It has a cute heart-shaped top stud, a floral bouquet type of a Hyderabadi kundan ensemble, and there is a cute little chand at the bottom, and it has crystal borders. These are crystals. Very, very pretty earrings. They look gorgeous. And the insides of this is basically matte yellow Meena work with brushed gold filigree in it. This is a filigree design in brushed gold. Can you guys see it? It's a really beautiful, beautiful earring. It looks stunning on your Indian ensembles. You can also wear it with your Western outfits. Hi, Christy. Thanks for joining, sweetheart. So these gorgeous earrings, a set of 2 on a special deal today. Take a screenshot if you like this. And I'll tell you the price in just a minute. So these earrings were for... These were for $95, guys. These were for $95. I have marked them down to $75. And just for today's sale, I'm offering them for $65, guys. $65. Can't beat that pricing for these gorgeous earrings. Gorgeous, gorgeous Kundan Meena crystal earrings for $65. So take a screenshot if you guys like, and you can send me a message with your queries. Moving on to my next $65 item. These were also at $90. I marked them down to $75. Just for today's live, they are for $65. Check out this. It's a beautiful mishmash of magenta and green color. This type of brushed matte gold finishing is really popular right now. It's very much in trend with beautiful crystal detailing and the Kundan Polki studding. Gorgeous earrings just for $65. So if you like it, take a screenshot and message me. I will be offering an additional discount on all the earrings which are bought more than 1 pieces. There will be an announcement of an additional discount. If you guys like this, take a screenshot. Look at this. They were for $95. I marked them down to $75, and just for today for $65. An additional $10 discount. Looks like Christmas is early this year because these prices are amazing. You're getting really good quality stuff for best pricing. Up next are these beautiful rose gold earrings. Look at these. They say a thing of beauty is a joy forever. This is gonna give you a lot of joy for years to come if you own this gorgeous piece of earring. Very big in size, yet very, very lightweight. It's a rose gold tone. I'm gonna show you the back side of it. So it's a rose gold tone. This entire earring is American diamond studded with cubic zirconium and American diamond baguettes. Hi Mamta, thanks for tuning in, dear. I'm missing my partner in crime today, but she's busy with another engagement. So I'm flying solo. But good to have you, girl. Thank you for joining in. So look at these gorgeous earrings, guys. Look at the detailing. It is so beautiful. And when you hear the pricing, you're gonna be floored, because I'm giving out a really, really good deal today. This neck piece is just for $80 for today. It was for $100, marked down for $80, guys. And I will give you an additional discount on this one if you buy this today. Miss you, dear. Hi, Monica. $80 for these gorgeous earrings. Look at all my friends tuning in to support me. That's just amazing. Love it. Love the feeling of sisterhood. This is how we should be supporting each other. Hi, Monica, darling. We have Monica from Elegance by Monica on my live. Must be my lucky day. So these gorgeous earrings, guys, grab these and make them yours just for $80 with an additional discount for on-the-spot bookings today. I will give you a great discount that you will not be able to resist. $80 with an additional discount. DM me to ask what that discount is. And make this your piece. Take a screenshot. Send me a message. Few more earrings coming up. Look at these gorgeous black druzy earring in a leaf motif. I call these my fern earrings because the motif in it looks like a fern, and it has a druzy stud on top with moti puai and beautiful again, birds are very popular this season, so gorgeous bird tassel at the bottom. Very lightweight, light on the ears, and they look gorgeous. Black is a versatile color. Hi Salome, hi dear, thanks for tuning in. Black looks very versatile. You can wear it on any outfit. This will go amazing on your traditional or your contemporary outfits. And these pair of earrings are just for $35 today, guys. These were $65. These are just for $35 just for today. If you guys like it, take a screenshot and message me. I will be offering extra discount on multiple orders today. If you buy more than one earrings, there will be an additional discount offered. So $35 for today. Gorgeous black druzy and fern motif brushed gold earrings with bird tassels and moti puai. Thanks, darling. Thank you, Salome. She's such a sweetheart. Just for $35, guys. I have a couple more earrings to show you. Sometimes people say we don't like wearing, danglers. So for those of you, hi Jess, thanks for tuning in. For those of you who don't like wearing danglers, we have something for you guys to get you covered. And you can look absolutely gorgeous and stunning wearing these beautiful pista colored studs. They have kundan inlays in them and a little ruby center. These are gorgeous drop shaped. Are you guys able to see them clearly? Drop shape earrings, and they have a moti border, teardrop shape with kundan inlays and a ruby insert. Also has a brushed gold detailing on it. The base is a pista color matte finish. These are matte finish. Matte finish is also very in right now. So these are pista colored matte finish earrings with brushed gold floral design on it. On sale today, originally for $75, on sale today just for $60 with an additional discount. So this is how they will look. Very lightweight, will not pain your ears at all. For a great deal today and an additional discount. $60, guys. $60 with an additional discount. If you guys like it, take a screenshot. If anybody wants to see more pictures, I can always do another virtual call with you guys. If it's not clear on the call today, I can do another virtual call and I can show you these pieces. $60 just for today and an additional discount. These can be yours. Take a screenshot and place an order. I have one more rose gold earring. Look at this gorgeous earring. It's a stunner of a piece. Absolute stunner. It's in rose gold. And it's actually in two-tone. It's a silver and rose gold. The The stones give it a very silverish hue, but the metal is rose gold and it has a very, very good finish. All of these are American diamonds with cubic zirconium, CZ drops at the bottom, and baguettes. Just for an unbelievable price. How much were they? They were for 105. I'm offering them today for 85 with an additional discount if you buy more than one earring, guys. That's a great price for something so blingy and studded. Gorgeous, gorgeous earrings just for 85 with an additional discount, a nice heavy hefty discount if you place your orders today. So do take a screenshot. I'll show you the other piece as well. Do take a screenshot if you like this and ask me, inquire me what my discount is going to be. Okay, guys? $80. Couple more easy to wear studs for those light occasions when you don't feel like dressing up too much but you still want that glam factor going. This is your perfect cute little kundan stud. Just for $20, guys. Just for $20. Hi Malvika, thanks for tuning in. So if you guys like this, take a screenshot. Just for $20. That's your special pricing. $20 only. It's got kundan, meenakari border, and a moti puai. $20. I have one more earring, which is a $20 deal, which is an amazing deal. And I think you guys are gonna love this. Look at these. Very, very lightweight. Look absolutely beautiful. You can wear this on any of your Indo-Western fusion outfits. It's brushed gold. Again, gold, matte gold is very much in right now. Brushed gold design with a moti border. Just for 20 bucks, guys. It makes a great gift also if you have any birthdays or any special occasions coming up for your friends or loved ones. These would make a great gift for $20 only. And like I said, if you buy more than one earring, there will be additional discounts offered. But these earrings are for $20. So take a screenshot if you like them and book them today and get additional discounts from me. So I think that was it with our contemporary fusion and transitional jewelry for earrings. I am going to move on to some gorgeous, gorgeous finger rings, which are cocktail rings. And I think you're really gonna like what I'm about to show you. So let me start with that. Okay, coming up is this gorgeous dragonfly design. It's a really, really pretty ring. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous dragonfly design. It has a lot of stuff going on. To begin with, there is freshwater pearls. Hi Urvashi, thank you. Thanks for joining in. Freshwater pearls on the top. There's a really cute little stud which has a very abstract design with some really fancy colors. I look at it like the vibrations of the Om into the interstellar galaxy. So that's my interpretation of this. And a cute little dragonfly with some chain detailing. These chain detailings are very, very in trend right now. And this is a cute little crystal. It's a faceted crystal Very versatile earring, goes with all kinds of outfit on a special pricing. It was originally for $45, but it's for $30 just for today. $30. If you guys like it, please take a screenshot and order. I am going to announce a very special discount offer on all of these rings. Once I'm done showing all my rings, on all of the $30 rings, I am going to give you a amazing offer just for our pre-festive times. Coming up, my other gorgeous ring only for $30 is this beautiful swan pair. It's a swan pair. Hi Gunjan, thanks for tuning in, dear. Swan pair earring, just for $30. Can you guys see it clearly? It's got a beautiful swan design, just for $30 for today with moti puai borders. It's a good size. If you're wearing a nice Indo-Western dress, it'll go really well on all your Western outfits or a fusion dress, and you really don't even need anything. That's it. All you need is this beautiful cocktail ring. Just for $30 for today. There's going to be an additional discount that I'm going to announce very soon once I'm done showing all my rings. Next up is this beautiful pearl and Mona Lisa ring. It's a faceted Mona Lisa stone with a gorgeous teardrop shape pearl flower inlays. Again, for $30. All of these rings are on special pricing from $45 marked down straight to $30, just so that you guys can stock up. If anybody likes it, take a screenshot. $30 just for today. And I'm gonna give you an additional offer on these beautiful rings. I have another color in that same ring, and that's a gorgeous seafoam, sky blue, whatever you call it. It's a gorgeous sky blue color. Same design, different colors. Beautiful. $30 just for today. $30. If you guys like it, please take a screenshot. $30. And there's gonna be an extra special offering at the end of the ring section. Coming up is another gorgeous ring. This is a beautiful fuchsia magenta color stone, kind of matching my lipstick, with some cubic zirconium in gunmetal. It's in a gunmetal placement, so they look a little oxidized, but they're not. That's how the look is. It's a beautiful ring, just for $30, very contemporary. It's got a little conical spoke at the bottom. You can wear it either ways and it'll look absolutely stunning. You can also wear it like this. Both ways, the look is absolutely stunning. $30. I think it's a great deal for these amazing cocktail rings. They are very stylish, very unique. You will not find these designs anywhere. Even with me, I only have single pieces. Look at this, guys. Another beautiful ring. The chain style is very in. I have sold a lot of these pieces in the last few months because this chain and these little conical spokes, this style is very in. All of these rings are adjustable. They can be adjusted to the size of your fingers. Great deal for $30 only. I have marked down all of the rings from $45 to $30 just for today. It has a rose quartz, a very light milky rose quartz. These are pearls over here. green chalcedonia stone over here, faceted rose quartz, milky rose quartz, and a very cute chain detailing, only for 30 bucks. So if you guys like it, please take a screenshot and message me. I'm gonna offer you some really great deals on these rings. I want to show you one more ring from my contemporary selection. Look at this. For those of you who like funky designs, this is a really good design. It's a star, kind of like a Texas North Star, made of rosewood. This is real rosewood, and it has freshwater pearl inlays, and these are black onyxes, faceted. Looks like a really cute flower with a Texas North Star kind of a look. So, you know, very chic, very contemporary, very bold, quite a statement ring, just for 30 bucks. If you like it, take a screenshot, just for 30 bucks. Just for 30 bucks, guys. $30 just for today. Another really cute ring, and one of my absolute favorites, is this wooden ring, and it has Swarovski stud inlays in a very cute henna like floral design. Looks very nice when you wear it on a wooden background. Very blingy, yet very subtle and very classy. Again, from $45 just to $30 with an additional discount for orders placed today. So if you guys like it, take a screenshot and place an order. These are all adjustable rings, so you can adjust them to fit your finger size. Another really gorgeous stunner of a piece is this particular cocktail ring. Just look at the size of this ring. Isn't this amazing? It's a beautiful rose quartz. These are natural uncut rose quartz with semi-precious stones, faceted semi-precious stones, and moti puai. Really cute ring. It pretty much fits your entire palm, so you don't even need any other accessory. And if I were you, I would probably not wear anything else in my hand either, because just this ring is just so beautiful. It'll look very royal in your pictures just by itself. You don't need any other accessory. This was actually for $50, and I am offering it at a flat deal of 30 bucks just for today. This is a great steal deal for 30 bucks. And if you buy more than one ring, there's going to be additional discount. So I'm going to talk about that in just a little bit. I have one more gorgeous fusion ring to show you, and then I'm going to show you some traditional cocktail rings. But look at this beauty. Can anyone say it doesn't look pretty? Because to me it looks gorgeous. Look at this beauty. Covers pretty much 3 fingers. Very cute semi-precious stringing, cute semi-precious inlays, and a very pretty shape, kind of like a inverted lotus, and with moti puai. Very good quality. This is all handmade, okay guys? This is all handmade. Very good quality, intricate, detailed work. All of these metals are hypoallergenic in the sense they will not cause you any kind of itching, no reactions on the skin, because all of these are based on brass and copper. We do not use any kind of zinc or lead or any of those toxic metals. So each of these rings are handcrafted, handmade on brass and copper based, and then they have been curated just for you guys. This was also for $50, but today it's a special pricing for $30. So if you guys like it, it's for $30. Take a screenshot and send me a message. I'm going to announce a special in just a little bit once I'm done showing all the cocktail rings. Moving on to some really pretty Chand rings. These are kind of fusion, transitional, traditional, whatever you may want to call it. Really pretty chand rings. Kind of, you can combine them with your chand balis. They have a moti puai, a cute little stone, semi-precious stone, faceted stone. And this is entirely hand painted, guys. Entirely hand painted. Look at this. Hand painted floral design. Can you guys see it? Hand painted floral design. I have about 7 pieces left. I had 25 and I have 7 pieces left. These were really, really hot sellers. Only for $35 for today. In the green stones, I have about 3 pieces. I'm gonna wear a couple of these and show you. And then you can decide which one you want to order. Okay, here you go. 3 pieces. I think these two are exactly the same pieces. All of them are in green stone. This one on my ring finger is base is golden. This one, the base is white. All of them are $30 for today. Just for today, $30 specials. Hi Gunpreet, thanks for joining. Just for today for $30 and with an additional discount if you buy more than 1 ring, which I'm about to announce in just a little bit. So $30 for all of these gorgeous, gorgeous rings. If you guys like it, take a screenshot and let me know. Coming up, 3 more really cute rings with a blue sapphire stone. It's a blue sapphire stone. This one, the one on top, is in a gray and pink detailing with a blue sapphire tone. This one is red and green detailing with a blue sapphire. And this one is this is more like a matte finish. This is more high gloss gray color with pink flowers. All of these are for $30 just for today. They were all for $45 marked down for $30 just for today. $30 only with an additional discount. Hi Uzma, thanks for joining Uz. $30 just for today from $45 marked down to $30 and an additional discount if you order more than 1 ring. And I'll tell you what that discount is in just a little bit. My last Chand Bali ring is this beautiful, gorgeous Firoza pink stone. Look at this. It has a golden base and pink and green detailing. Floral detailing. These are very, very stylish rings. And they look absolutely gorgeous. All handcrafted, hypoallergenic, no lead, no toxic materials used. All are copper and brass based. So they will not give you any kind of allergies. So this was my cocktail ring selection for Indo-Western fusion type of rings. I have some more exciting deals for $30. If you liked any ring from the ones I just showed you, either you can go back to this live and take a screenshot if you missed taking a screenshot, or you could describe them to me, personal message me. My contact details have been provided in the description of this FB live. So you can either send me a message on my phone call, or you can message me on Turquoise Touch or my personal profile, whatever is convenient for you. And I will answer all your questions and I'll give you amazing extra discounts for placing your orders today. Okay, moving on, I am going to show you some really, really cute traditional earrings. Sorry, not earrings, traditional cocktail rings for similar pricing. Prices that you will not be able to refuse. So first up is this beautiful flower ring. Gorgeous green color with studded American diamonds, floral ring, adjustable. It was originally for $45. I am selling it today just for $30, just for you guys. $30. Stock it up. This is one of its kind, very, very unique piece, just for 30 bucks. You will not get these designs anywhere. Two of the other really pretty rings that I want to show you. These are finger rings, cocktail finger rings. All of these are adjustable. I have these in two tones. One is silver and the other is silver and rose gold. It's a mixed tone ring. Again, from $45 marked down. Guys, there is Eid coming up. There is Varalakshmi coming up. Rakhi is around the corner. Hi Hina, welcome to the live. Thanks for tuning in, dear. And there is so many festivals coming up around the corner. This time everything this year is early. Rakhi is early, Diwali is early, Ganesh Chaturthi is early, there is a Eid coming up. So stock up. These are amazing prices I'm giving out, because once we are back to our normal life, all of these prices are gonna go up. Treat this as a special festive COVID pricing. 30 bucks just for these rings. Very, very cute. Two color tones, silver and rose gold and silver. Adjustable rings, originally priced at $45. It's actually a dome shape. So there's a little hole over here and there's studs inside. So that is the shape. It's a dome shape. Very cute cocktail ring. Looks very, very chic when you wear it. Just for today, for 30 bucks. It's a great, great steal deal. I have one more really cute earring to show you. Look at this. It's another very, very cute diamond studded, beautiful flower shape earring. This is a rose gold background, as you can see, with a silver rose finish. Very, very cute one. And this was also for $45. I am offering just for today for $30. And if you buy more than one ring, there's going to be an extra discount, which I'm going to let you guys know in a little bit. I have two colors. There is a pure silver color. Look at this, guys. They were all $45 for 30 bucks today. So there's a rose gold silver and there's a silver color. Two pieces, gorgeous earrings. All of this just for 30 bucks for today. So if you guys like it, take a screenshot and let me know. And I will be offering another extra discount on multiple purchases. Another really cute floral baguette ring. Very, very beautiful American diamond and cubic zirconium baguettes. Also for 30 bucks. It was originally retailed at $45, but I'm selling it today just for 30 bucks for you guys. So if you like this, take a screenshot. I will show you that ring again. Take a screenshot. Hi Janani. Take a screenshot and send me a message. $30 and it's yours with an additional discount on multiple purchases. Next up is this really beautiful teardrop shape ring. It has a turquoise floral inlay and it actually rotates. Look at that. Such a cute design. With a low-grade ruby inside, and this entire portion is studded with AD stones. Adjustable ring just for 30 bucks for today. Original retail was $45, on special rates for festivities. Take a screenshot, guys, if you like it. All these rings are adjustable, made with hypoallergenic material, no lead or any toxic materials. These are all copper brass based and very, very high finish. All are handmade. All of these were 30 bucks on special pricing just for you all for today for festivities. So stock up. These are really good gifts to give. I will be packing them in a very attractive packaging, and it's a very, very nice gift to give somebody. These are very stylish, one of its kind rings. I have only one piece of each of these rings, so once they're sold, they're gone. Then I will not be able to get these back, because right now, because of COVID, all production is halted. You know, nobody's making any new designs. Look at this, another really cute, very, very gorgeous, very high shine, very well cut. These are basically Jaipur Kundan, as they call it. This is not Hyderabadi Kundan, this is not Pachi Kundan, this is Jaipur Kundan. It's a different kind of Kundan. They cut these stones at a very, very defined angles, because of which the reflectivity of these stones is amazing. And it has a crystal inlay. All of these rings are $30 just for today. If you like it, take a screenshot. 30 bucks. And there's gonna be a special deal that I'm gonna offer if you buy one or more ring. Another $30 beauty is this gorgeous beauty right here. Look at this, very, very beautiful. The crystal inlays look really nice and shiny. There is kundan detailing and there is a matte finish. I think that gives you a good view. There is a matte finish brush gold design. It's called as filigree design. It looks very smart. 30 bucks. Take a screenshot, guys. 30 bucks with an additional discount that I will let you know in a little bit. Okay, one more beauty is this one. Look at this. Look at the gorgeous ring. This is an amazing ring. 30 bucks just for today. Take a screenshot. I'll be announcing the special in just a little bit if you buy one or more. Another really gorgeous design is this one in pista gold, pista green and gold design. 30 bucks with kundan inlays and a moti border, just for $30. These are really gorgeous designs, very good quality rings. Another really cute ring is this one. It's basically a Hyderabadi kundan. It's a very good quality kundan ring for 30 bucks, $30, and it has Meena borders. Very beautiful. There's no color to it, so it will go with any of your outfits. $30. Whoever likes baby pink is for a treat, because this gorgeous ring has also been marked down. Look at the shine, look at the quality of the stones. Just for 30 bucks. Take a screenshot if you like it. Next up is this beautiful red and gold. It's a red and matte gold cocktail ring. All of these are adjustable. Red and gold cocktail ring for 30 bucks only, just for today. $30. And I'm going to announce an additional discount on all orders that are placed today, just like I did for my last live. You know, the response was amazing and people loved the deals and the discounts that we were offering them. One more really cute and pretty ring, again in pista green and fuchsia magenta with some kundan inlays for $30. Take a screenshot, guys. $30 only. Can't miss this pricing. It's amazing pricing. All of these rings were in upwards of $45. Just for today, they've been marked down for $30. This is my last ring that I'm showing you from the ring collection, and then I'm gonna let you know what the special is. $30 just for these beauties, gorgeous beauties. Are you guys able to see it? It's a pista green. This color is really trending right now, so take a screenshot if you like it. It's a very pretty shape, just for 30 bucks. Okay, so that wraps up with our cocktail ring collection for today. So my deal to you guys is that if you place your orders today and if you buy more than one ring, so if you buy 2 rings, I am going to knock off $5 extra of each of the rings. So you can have all of these rings for $25 each if you buy more than one. If you buy 2 rings or more, I am going to give you a free ring of my choice. So buy 2 rings, get a 3rd ring for free. And let me show you some of the examples of the rings that you may end up getting for free. These are also very cute rings. They are worth $25, but if you buy 2 or more rings for $30 each, you will be getting a 3rd ring for free. If you buy more than 1, then I'll knock off $5. If you buy more than 2, I will give you a ring for free. So it is a really good offer. I will try to give you as much discount as I can so you guys can have a great deal. So hit me up. I hope you're liking what I'm showing so far. We did some cute semi-formal contemporary earrings. Then we went along and showed you some traditional earrings. We did some fusion cocktail rings and some traditional cocktail rings. I think I still have some time. I have about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna try and go through some necklace sets, okay, real quick for the festive season. So I'm gonna start with my $55 necklaces. And I hope you like these as much as I have liked them to bring these to you. My first beauty over here is a gorgeous two-tone kundan necklace and all of these are semi-precious stones. Okay guys, this is a $55 necklace. That's a special for today. This was a $70 neck piece for $55 just for today. Comes with a set of earrings, coordinated earrings, really cute ones. And this has kundan and polki inlays on a Meena crafted side pendant. So this pendant will come on side like this when you wear it. Can you guys see me? Let me adjust the cameras a little bit. There you go. Nice and long piece, just for $55 for today. If anybody likes it, take a screenshot. Very royal piece. And like I said, if you buy more than one item, I am gonna go ahead and offer you an additional goodwill discount. So I'm gonna try and make it as sweet of a deal as I can for you, so your festive season is made, because I know everybody is on a saving mode right now. Times are tough, but hey, a little bit of retail therapy ain't hurting somebody. Okay, so my one more next up $55 item is this really gorgeous, really gorgeous, it's a green colored neck piece. It's a statement neck piece, very pretty. I'm not gonna wear it, I'm just showing you how the fall looks. It is a Jadao pendant with cut work of semi-precious stones. Very, very beautiful pendant. The pendant is about 3.5 inches. That's a really good size. It fills up my entire palm. And very, very curious stringing. Look at the back side of the pendant, guys. Very, very good quality stuff. Just for $55. It was a $70 necklace. I've marked it down just for you guys. Look at the quality of the stones, guys. Beautiful stones. And it's a unicolor necklace, which means the designing possibilities are endless. You can wear it on a nice busy design. A red colored outfit or a yellow will look really pretty. Just for $55 for today. So if you guys like it, send me a screenshot. For all orders placed today, I will be offering an additional discount. One more neck piece for $60. And these are all natural stone neck piece, guys. So natural stones are not cheap. They are expensive. Those of you who wear natural stones will know the importance of these and why they are so pricey, because they are beautiful. Look at this neck piece, guys. It's a 3-layered side brooch. It's a side pendant in purple and white pearls. That's the length, and that's how the fall is gonna be. It's a $60 neck piece. Look at the pendant. That's the pendant. Very, very stylish. The pendant has semi-precious stringing. This is mother of pearl. This is kundan. That's the back side. Very, very good quality. And it has agates. This is agates. These are regular pearls, and these are fish pearls. These are different kind of pearls. We call them fish pearls. So very, very cute neck piece. Also comes with pretty earrings. Look at this. Come with pretty earrings. Here you go. So pair of earrings with this really pretty necklace, just for $60. If anybody likes it, send me a message, take a screenshot. Just for $60. And I will offer you an additional discount on this neck piece if you place the order today. I'm quickly gonna show you the earrings. Here you go, guys. Those are the earrings. They also have pearls, studs on top, and they're loops. That's the other one. So just for $60 for today. If you like it, send me a screenshot. Really cute necklace I have for you. Look at this. It's a beautiful stringing, is made of drop shaped agates, and a very, very beautiful pendant. This is a floral design with some studs, CZ studs and pearls. Very cute necklace, perfect for the festive season that's coming up. If you guys want to wear it for Eid, or you know, for your Rakhi celebration, or you know, it's not a very heavy wear, it's a medium wear, so it's perfect for those easy peasy casual occasions. Comes with a really cute pair of earrings. Cute little pair of earrings. And the price for this is only $65, guys. Only $65 today. Very, very good quality stuff. That's the back side. $65 for today. I have one more color in this neck piece, so let me show you that color. Here you go. It's a beautiful bottle green color, same design, a different color. These pendants were so gorgeous, I could not resist picking them up in a couple of colors. So I got red and green, which are the most versatile colors. And this one also has a cute little earring. Very, very cute earring. So here you go, cute little earring. With this necklace, 2 colors. Both of them priced at $65, guys. And I will give you an additional discount if you place your orders today. So if you guys like this, take a screenshot and shoot me a message. $65. That's a great deal for semi-precious stone stringing neck pieces. Next up, I have a really gorgeous cream colored. Hi Madhu, thanks for joining my live. How are you, dear? This is a beautiful cream colored crystal neck piece. This has Jaipur Kundan and some tail in the center. A very versatile color to have, guys. Very versatile. It has a dory back. That's how the fall is gonna look like. And it comes with a pair of really pretty earrings. Really pretty earrings, guys. Very cute little earrings. Very big size, a decent size earring. You can wear these earrings by themselves if you want. Very pretty. And the price for this neck piece was $80. I have marked it down just for y'all to $65, guys. This huge neck piece for $65. If y'all like it, please send me a message, take a screenshot. I will offer you an additional discount. All of these pieces are made using very high quality materials, okay guys? Let me show you one more neck piece for $65. Look at this beauty. Red and green never disappoints. This is a gorgeous 5-inch pendant. It's a truly statement neck piece. It's in red and green Meenakari Kundan work and crystal stringing with antique spacers. Look at the spacers. Also comes with a really good size earrings. Look at these earrings, guys. Good size earrings just for $65. That's a great deal. Very good quality stuff. Beautiful earrings just for $65. So if you guys like this neck piece, take a screenshot and hit me up with your queries. I will be giving an additional discount on all the purchases that are done today. Just for $65. I have one beauty that I want to show you, and this was kind of a new concept that we tried doing. This is a gorgeous Kundankari pendant. It has an adjustable dory. Very beautiful pendant. It's made of Jaipur Kundan. And the specialty about this is, you see this here, you can actually change the stringing. So I have multiple colors of stringing. So if you buy one neck piece, it comes with one chain, and you can actually buy additional chains in different colors. and get so many more necklaces out of just one pendant. Ain't that a sweet deal? So I have black, I have green, I have a very, very pretty English blue, sapphire blue, a nice gray color, metallic gray crystals, and a bright, vibrant red color. So many combinations are possible. I have 3 of these pendants available, and they also come with a set of earrings which are equally pretty. Look at these earrings. Beautiful pendant with changeable malas and gorgeous kundan earrings. I have 3 of these sets available. So you can actually buy one for your sister, one for yourself, one to gift, or just one with multiple chains. These are also for $65 for today. Look at the size of the earrings, guys. Very, very pretty. Just for $65 with interchangeable malas. So if you guys like this, it's a very unique concept. All you have to do is just clip this mala off and put the other mala on, and that's it. You get a matching neck piece to your outfit in just a few seconds. So if you guys like this deal, take a screenshot. Only for $65 for today. It's an unbeatable deal for today, just for $65. I have one more really, really cute neck piece to show you. This is a beautiful hand-painted. It's a Tanjore neck piece from the Mughal era. Look at the size of the pendant, guys. This is just an exquisite piece of jewelry. Look at the stringing. These are jasper stones with some bright fuchsia pink agates, some beautiful semi-precious stone studded spacers, and some more semi-precious stringing. Gorgeous, gorgeous neck piece. Tanjore painting of the Mughal era. It's a Mughal queen. With coordinated earrings. Earrings are equally beautiful, guys. Look at these earrings. It's a paisley stud on top with semi-precious stone stringing. Very, very cute neck piece. Just for $70 today, guys. Just for $70. That's the other neck piece. If you guys like this, it's a one of its kind. These are all hand painted, very, very tough to make. These local artisans in Rajasthan actually paint these in Thanjavur. Look at the colors. It's such a beautiful detailing. Very, very unique piece, guys. And the price is simply amazing for the size of the neck piece. It's a true statement neck piece. Just for $70, guys. If you like it, please book it today, because this piece will be gone, guys. There's only one of it available. I do not repeat my designs. I don't use the same pendants again. Few more neck pieces I have in the $75 range. Look at this really gorgeous stone neck piece in multicolor. Looks very stylish. It's a very, very fusion neck piece. You can Western outfits, or your saris, salwars. All of these are natural stone. It's a druzy. Very, very beautiful crafting. Impeccable quality. Only for $75, guys. $75, and I will offer you an additional discount for today. For all orders placed today. Very, very good design. Natural stone neck piece for $75 in multicolor stringing. One more $75 neck piece I have. I have a couple more left, guys, and then I'll announce all the special sales and I'll recap. I had worn this in my last live. Look at this gorgeous beauty. This is a whopping 6 or 8 inch pendant. It's a really gorgeous neck piece. It looks amazing when you wear it. For those of you who love statement jewelry, this is your piece, guys. Asymmetrical stringing is very in right now, so I have made this using asymmetrical silver spacers and some multicolor natural stones. It's all semi-precious stringing, and this is called as an agate slice. It's an agate gade. It's from my floral collection. Also comes with a pair of beautiful coordinated earrings just for $75. Can you believe that? That huge gorgeous neck piece just for $75 for today. And like I said, I will offer you an additional discount if you place your order today. So what are you waiting for, guys? Hurry up and place your orders. One more neck piece, and it's a gorgeous Turkish pendant. It's a Turkoman evil eye pendant in silver, copper, and this is a lapis inlay. This is a lapis lazuli. For those of you who understand natural stones, lapis is a very pretty natural stone. It's supposed to bring you luck, and it's supposed to ward off all the evil and negative energies. These are evil eye beads. Very pretty ink blue color neck piece on a special pricing just for $75 for today, with an additional discount if you place your orders today, just for $75, guys. This was marked at $99. I've priced it down for you guys to $75. I'm going to show you a couple more pieces and then we're going to wrap up. One really pretty piece that I had the honor of designing is this gorgeous Afghanistani ghau pendant. It's an Afghanistani ghau pendant. That's what they're called. These pendants are from Afghanistan. And this is a stringing that's made with citron stone. Citron is a wealth stone. It's supposed to bring you prosperity and wealth. Hi Shalu, thank you so much. It's a really beautiful stone to wear, and these are lapis chips. Lapis and citron together work really well to bring you a lot of good luck. And we have some beautiful semi-precious stone inlays on antique coins. Those of you who like to wear coin pieces, this is your piece. Very beautiful. It's an Afghanistani ghau pendant. It's like a digbi. It's kind of like a tabiz in the olden days. And this is authentic Afghan pendant with lapis stringing and citron stones on antique stones. Very cute neck piece, very stylish. A total conversation starter, will look really pretty on all your Western or Indian outfits. Marked down from $99 to $70 just for today. And I will give you an additional discount if you place your orders today. $70, guys, $70. If you liked it, I hope you took a screenshot. And I have two more pieces and then we're gonna wrap up. So my second last piece is this gorgeous neck piece. I call it my black monochrome. It's totally made in black and white using obsidian semi-precious stones. This is hematite, obsidian, and freshwater pearls, natural pearls, Baruch pearls. Comes with beautiful earrings. Guys, this neck piece was for $120. I have marked it down for $75 just for today. $75, guys. Grab this neck piece. It's one of its kind. My black monochrome in hematite, obsidian, and natural pearls. If you like it, take a screenshot. Just for $75, just for today. It looks super gorgeous. Will go with any outfit. Endless possibilities of styling this with your clothes. Very, very versatile piece to have in your wardrobe. And for $75, not a bad deal at all. So send me a message. And wrapping up with our last piece of the day for $85, just for today, is this beautiful Navratan neck piece. Look at this beauty, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. These colors go so well with all our outfits, traditional or Western. It's a beautiful Navratan neck piece with meenakari and matte gold inlays, kundan, drop shaped kundan borders, these Navratan semi-precious stones, and beautiful semi-precious stringing. There are these Buddhist cylindrical bead spacers that I came across, and I thought these would go perfect with this. And we have some, really beautiful leaf motif design, oval spacers over here. And we kept the stringing very, very simple and minimalistic because the pendant has so many colors. And the earring size, oh my god, look at the earring size. The earrings are so pretty. It's the same design as the pendant, and it's for a whopping price of $85. If you guys like this neck piece, take a screenshot. I will be offering an extra discount on all the pieces that you guys are going to order today. So I'm just going to do a quick recap. We went through some earrings, some contemporary earrings that were all for a price of $40 for today. If you buy one earring or more than one, I will knock off an additional extra $5. If you buy two earrings, I will give you an extra discount on top of the discounts that I'm offering for orders today. We also did some cocktail rings, which were all marked down at a flat rate of $30. And I already told you guys that if you buy one or more, I will be giving an additional $5 discount. If you buy two rings, you will get one ring of my choice for free. You know, what's there to lose? And then I showed you some really pretty necklaces from $55, $65, $75, and some $85 range. So I hope you guys liked all the selection that I brought to you today. Please DM me with all your queries. You can text me or send me a WhatsApp message, and all the orders placed today will have an additional discount, which I will let you know when you place the order. And for the first 10 orders, there will also be a free gift. So I have given you enough incentives to go ahead and stock up for your festive season. I will keep coming with such lives. We'll try to keep doing different combinations and give you the best prices possible. If you guys have any questions, let me know. It was wonderful showing all of these beautiful pieces. I've worked really, really hard to bring these beautiful, unique designs to you. Guys, natural stones, I cannot stress enough how much benefits they will give you. You will not like holding anything artificial after you start wearing natural stones. The energy, the exuberance, the aura that they give you is just amazing. I have felt a difference after wearing them for the last 8 or 10 years that I've been wearing them. So come check me out, come check my collection out, and I would love to style you all. Until the next live, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye.